The Internet of Things. Connecting products to the digital world has arrived. What does this mean for passengers and for your business? From now on, you can intuitively interact with the elevator itself. Take a look at the panel which is opposite the doors. As you can see, it will sense what information you need and keep you current during our journey. But there is much more going on. As you will see, all the essential components are equipped with sensors, sensing the smallest vibrations, temperature fluctuation, energy consumption, and many more. The elevator's health condition is constantly measured and known at all times. As an example, above the door, there is critical equipment that opens and closes the door and ensures smooth operation. Connected sensors measure real-time data points like the door's motor temperature, voltage consumption, and open and close cycles. Anomalies in the data can now be detected instantly, and an alert is sent to the Schindler Control Center. All necessary data, such as location of the elevator, time of incident, and affected components, are reported. Our powerful data analytics and machine learning algorithms support our experts to analyze the data and gain the right actionable insights. In this case, a predictive maintenance routine is suggested to prevent a potential failure in the future. Once confirmed by the expert, in addition to the client being informed about a newly scheduled maintenance visit, the necessary spare parts are ordered and our highly trained technician is automatically assigned. Our technicians receive the new job with maintenance instructions on their digital tool case. Thanks to our closed-loop platform, the customer is informed at all times about the health status of all of his equipment. The customer on-site personnel is informed, as well, at all times via the Schindler app on their smartphone. As you can see, sensor data allows for powerful analytics and insights with the right outcomes for our customers, passengers, and employees. Schindler's Internet of Elevators and Escalators will significantly improve reliability and safety, while dramatically reducing equipment downtime and allow for a superior passenger experience. At Schindler, we power digital urban mobility for all types of elevators and escalators.